All right, so here I'm going to demonstrate how to work the tissue at the bend in the ankle here. And I'm going to take a pen and just sketch what kind of structure that I'm talking about here. So we call the structures that we're working with here the retinacula. And basically, they are big straps that come around and they form a little X shape approximately in the middle. Everyone's anatomy is a little different and they're pretty wide structures. Okay, so coming this way, it look like that. Okay, and what their job is to hold the tendons coming down from the top of the leg in place, so that they're not just wobbling everywhere. But sometimes these retinacula can get tight, particularly if you're wearing a shoe that has a strap right over the top of them, and that strap might be really secure. And if you're waking up and you have soreness in the area, then it might need a little extra care, particularly if you're experiencing inflammation down in the foot that stops like right here. That's a good indicator that the retinacular are too tight and that the tendons are not moving really well as you're walking, running, jumping, playing. Okay, so the technique to come in is not difficult. We're going to use the flat edge of the thumb here. You could certainly use finger pads as well, whatever tool feels doable for you. I'm going to use my thumb for demonstration purposes. And we're going to come in, I'm using moderate pressure here, and come in and glide through. And then we're going to just make rows of that glide. Okay, I'm going to switch to fingers, coming around to the other side, and we're going to work this from ankle bone to ankle bone. Okay, so start again at the inside ankle bone. And if you're not flexible enough to hold your foot in your lap, that's okay. Have a friend or a partner watch this video and they can do this for you. The movement does not have to be from the top to the bottom. It can certainly go from the bottom to the top. It does not matter. We're simply trying to create better circulation in this space right here. These structures don't have a really amazing blood supply. The tendons coming down don't have a really good blood supply. And so by doing the massage here with our thumb and with the fingers, we're helping to increase circulation. And when you bring blood into an area, that helps healing to happen. It helps nutrients to get delivered. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do, you're going to take one hand and pin the tissue down, and then the other hand, you're going to grip in. I'm still using finger pads. I'm not using fingertips. You're going to use your finger pads, connect, and just very slowly, you're going to draw that away from the area that's pinned. That's this finger is pinning, and then these guys are spreading it open. Okay, now we're going to do the opposite. So I'm going to pin here, and now this hand is going to come over here, and we're going to just nice and slow just drag it over. Drag it over to that little sticky outy bone on the side of the lower leg there. And the outside of the leg, for those of you that are interested, that's called the base of your fibula. Okay. All right. And then we're going to come this way, so top and bottom. Again, please use your finger pads, not your tips. You're going to anchor right in the bend. The foot is relaxed the entire time you're doing this, by the way. And you're just going to spread those two apart. Okay? So just like you're going to peek through big, heavy curtains, you're going to grab those curtains and just pull them apart. Okay, it's up to you, like how many passes you want to do in any of these spaces. I recommend a minimum of 3 because the first time that we make contact, we're just alerting the body that something's happening. The second time, the body starts to understand what we want it to do, and then the third time, hopefully it can start to make the changes that we would like it to make. Okay, all right, and then go ahead and just give your ankle a little spin, a little walk through, and see how it feels. If you need to, go ahead and reapply again. If you have an active sprain or strain, please consult with your primary care provider who is helping you with that injury before proceeding with this technique. Okay, thank you so much.